Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is get into our Solana price prediction for this bull run. So you can imagine height of the market, where could Solana be? That's what I'm going to answer. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but if you enjoy it, smash the like button, subscribe if you want to view more content like this, because the moose is loose, especially today. I've had a lot of coffee. Now I'm having some tea. I think there's more caffeine in here, and that's just what the moose needs. That's what the moose needs. He needs coffee, crypto, more caffeine, sports cards, bunch of cool stuff. So guys, if you agree with this video, comment down below. Be like, Moose, you're a legend. You're going to make me a moose millionaire. You know, like I've been thinking the same way. If you disagree, that's cool too. So we've been having some banter. I've been getting into fist fights with some of you guys in the comment section, and that's what this is all about. I love it. I love the banter. So it's cool. So where is my head at when it comes to this? So what's important to realize is Solana has already gone up a lot, and there's reasons for that. So I want to break down my opinions for it. And Solana right now has the most potential of a layer one, in my opinion. Okay, I know we talk about ADA a lot, but Solana I've been talking about a lot, and quite frankly, it's the only token that I've been picking up. So I do get some Tangent referrals, and if you guys want to save up to 25% off, guys pick up a Tangent. So that was a shameless plug, but it's true. But really, I do use that hardware wallet a lot, and yeah, like, you know, guys, protect your assets. But really, Solana is something that I've been picking up. And the reason being, okay, is that Ethereum sucks. Ethereum is expensive. It literally costs $100 sometimes to do transaction fees. And as Ethereum goes up in price, let's say it's $8,000, it's going to cost a few $100 to do anything with ETH. Okay, so I joke around. I tell you guys it costs money just to open up your ETH wallet, your MetaMask. Guys, it's expensive. And Solana is the direct competitor for that. It's solving those issues. Sure, there's Hex, there's Pulse Chain, there's whatnot, there's layer 2 solutions, but as a layer 1, Solana is fast. They get the jute bag, they're building, and I think it's the big play right now. I like Cardano as well. Cardano's sweet. I think Cardano is respectably like a top 5. Solana I've been talking about as a top 3. So let's get into price. So we've gone up a lot, and we're going to assume that we're going to assume we have another leg up. Okay. So right now we are Saturday, March 23rd, 2024. Man, the moose is on. Moose is loose, baby. This is what you guys tune in for. You know, smash the like button, guys, share this. Let's get loose, man. So what I was doing some moose math. Okay. And that just means that I'm operating like Robert Oppenheimer, but when he was like 9 months old. Okay. So not even one. Robert Oppenheimer at 1 year old is already smarter than the moose. So, but we do have a little bit of brains there. We got the 8-month, 9-month version of Oppenheimer here. So we're going to do the market cap, okay, calculations. And quite honestly, what I believe is that we could hit a $500-600 billion market cap with Solana at the height of the market. And reason being is because look at where Ethereum is at today. Look at where Solana has been in the past. Solana was what? Over $200 roughly, 200-300. So 230 at the peak, you know, that was pretty, you know, it's been suppressed from there, but now it's starting to go back up. We're at 77. So 77 bill, okay, the market cap times 5 would give you that 500 mil market cap roughly. So let's just say a 5x, that would give us an $800 Solana. Okay, this is moose math. Okay, this was triple checked by the higher ups. Okay, guys, this is actually what I believe. I know I joke around a lot, but Solana at $800, I believe that. Could it even go further? Because if that happens, Ethereum could hit like $1 trillion market cap. But I think Solana, people are going to realize that Sol is just cheaper. Right? It's faster. Why would you pick up Ethereum, especially if you're just getting into crypto? It's expensive. Like right now, you can open up. I use Phantom. I have it on my phone too. So I can share that with you guys. I've been using it for a while. I have videos on the Jupe Ag. Comment down below if you want me to do more Solana videos. No joke, people have been commenting, hey, like, show me other blockchains and whatnot, and that's what I'm trying to provide. I have a bit of render token. That's going to be part of another video this week for you guys. But there you go. I have 10 bucks in this wallet. I have it on my hardware wallet, so I have those. But Solana, guys, you can pick it up for cheap. It's like 0.000 whatever SOL, and compared to Ethereum, it's just a direct competitor. There are projects like AVAX is fast. For me, it's just confusing because I've had to go from the C chain to P chain. And yeah, I understand it. But for most people getting into it, I think it's just a little bit messy. And that's why I haven't been a big believer in AVAX. Not to say that Avalanche can't do well. In fact, I think AVAX is going to pass ADA. It probably will. Just based on Marketcap and the fact that gaming projects are coming out. Becker's talking about it, etc. But look at the Solana ecosystem. And we're going to be doing a top 5, so that will be coming out this week. I'm going to give you the top 5 Solana tokens that I believe in. But look at what's being built. So again, you want to think about it as a smart contract blockchain where you can build applications on top of it. So you have your DeFi, you have your meme tokens, right? So shout out to Whiff, what is that? Dog with hat, right? The Whiff. So I do not own any meme tokens of any kind right now. You guys can pick up the Myro, When, Orca, what is it? Hashflow. There's tons. The only one that I have on Solana, I might as well share that now. I do own Render. So I like Render. It's a big AI play. I'll talk about it in a different video, just briefly. And I own Solana. So currently I'm not holding anything else. I had Woof for a bit. I did a video. But again, guys, on this channel, I'm not pumping anything. I share with you what I own, what I like. I'm still 58% Kopi now. So Kopi's been going up. And that's about it. So guys, comment down below. Do you agree with the $800 per token Solana? I'm assuming a 500 mil market cap. And I think it could go even higher if we get the right leg up. That has to do with the market sentiment. That has to do with a lot of different things happening. But I think, what are we, 27 days away from the halving? Are you kidding me? A couple months after this, we'll get into new territories. Solana's probably going to lead the way. So I want to invite you all to check out the link tree. So here we've got links for you. Pick up the Loose Moose NFT. It's the NFT I built. It's the official channel NFT. Pick up a hardware wallet. So we got Trezor Model T. You can save up to 25% off that and a Tangem. Tangem, I think it's 10% right now. It does fluctuate. I believe it does anyways. But use coupon code MOOSE for the Tangem. This one, I don't know, but use the link. They haven't even paid me yet. Trezor, pay me what you owe me. Bitcoin's going down. You guys could have paid me at the height. I'm actually ranting right now. Trezor, if you want me to tell people to pick up this wallet, which I love, I adore, pay me. Okay? If you don't pay me, the moose is going to get loose. Okay? That's not a threat. Ledger. Ledger's good too. I use the Ledger Nano S Plus. But seriously, dude, like, you don't want to piss off a moose. You just don't want to piss off the moose. The moose gets pissed off. He gets angry. In one-on-one combat, dangerous. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.